What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Chasing Limits. So here we have our 2021 4Runner TRD Pro, and today we're gonna do a lift spring kit install. So we're using the Eibach. This is the part number for the rear spring. These are the fronts, and then this is the part number that you guys can find. So as you guys can see, it's good for 19 to 22 4Runner TRD Pro. So let's head all over to the shop and get these puppies installed. Alright guys, so here's the final product. We installed the Eibach lift kit, which offers 1.6 lift in the front and 1 inch in the rear. So as you guys can see, it's pretty leveled out. And first impressions of driving it on these new springs is that there's definitely a lot less brake dive. And when going into corners, I noticed that there is more of less body roll, so it stays a bit more flat. So yeah, overall, so far, very impressed with these springs. We're gonna wait a week or so to get a proper alignment done, and then go from there. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.